Exercise 5.4. Construct the following trapezium with the given measures and also find their area. AIMS with AI parallel to SM. This two line is meaning parallel. SM. AI equal to 6 cm, IM equal to 5 cm, AM equal to 9 cm, and MS equal to 6.5 centimeter. So given the measurement, you want to draw the trapezium. AI equal to, given the right arm, AI equal to 6 centimeter, IM equal to 5 centimeter, AM equal to 9 centimeter, and MS equal to 6.5 centimeter. Whatever that given, first you write. First draw the rough diagram. Simple draw one diagram. AIMS. Write that points. AI equal to 6 centimeter. IM equal to 5 centimeter, AM equal to 9 centimeter, MS equal to SM equal to 6.5 centimeter. You draw the trapezium. Now start that one. So what is the first, the line segment is there given. AI equal to 6 centimeter. AI equal to 6 centimeter. Measure the scale and draw the AI equal to 6 centimeter. Centimeter straightly one point. AI equal to 6 centimeter. Join the two lines. A I 6 centimeter. First finish in triangle shape figure. Measure in AM equal to 9 centimeter and I2 you measure in 5 centimeter. Using the compass and scale, measure first 9 centimeter. Nine centimeter. Where to the writing? A to writing, you put in the arc. 9 centimeter. Next, this side to the measure in 5 centimeter. So measure in 5 centimeter and cut it the arc. 5 centimeter. I to keep the compass and cut it the arc. Point is M. You join AM and IM. AM and IM. Here writing 9 centimeter. There writing 5 centimeter. Next work, use in the protractor and draw the parallel line. How to draw the parallel line? How to draw the scale and set square, you see there. M point to keep in the scale. Correctly want to keep. Next, tightly keep the scale and there keep in the set square. Little bit there move there. See there, moving that set square only. Correct point come after. You take the scale and draw the line. This line is, what is the line? Parallel line. This line is called the parallel line. This point is M point. Now here too you measure in 6.5 centimeter. 6.5 centimeter. One time I recall that one. See the scale. Keep the scale there. Keep after a set square, tightly want to keep and move there. That length side want to come here. Set square. This point come after, take the scale and draw the line. Correctly want to draw the line. Draw after, put in the arrow mark there. Next, rough diagram to there have been 6.5 centimeter. M2 now have the line, you cut it the arc, how much centimeter want to take? 6.5 centimeter, correctly you measure. Next line 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4, 6.5. Correctly want to measure. In 6 and 7 in between only want to come the line. 6.5 centimeter. M point to cut it the arc. Lightly one arc enough there. Then now line and cutting arc coincide. That point is, what is the point there? S point. This point only, what is the point? S. Here you write in 6.5 centimeter. Here no need to measure in AS line. You simply draw means enough. A and S point you want to join the line. Okay, this work complete after finding the area. Area of the trapezium formula. Area of the trapezium. Equal to 1 by 2 into H into A plus B square units. Now which value is A value? This parallel line is the A and B value. A equal to 6 centimeter. B equal to 6.5 centimeter. What is the value of H? So here have the in 3 letters H, A, B. A, B value is no, H value want to find. That how to there want to draw that. See, that S point is straightly one line draw enough. This is the H right after 90 degree. So put in the one box. This meaning is 90 degree. Here too you measure how much there. 5.4, 4.5, 6, 7, 8. 4.8 is the line. Now H value equal to 4.8 centimeter. Now here you write in H value equal to 4.8 centimeter. Equal to 1 by 2 into H value equal to 4.8 centimeter. 4.8 into A value is 6 plus B value equal to 6.5 square centimeter for you write in centimeter squared. 1 by 2 into 4.8. Point must there keep 4.8 into this two number want to add. How to they add? 6.0, 6.5. They are not have the decimal number, you put in the 0.0. 5, 6 plus 6 equal to 12. So 12.5 centimeter squared. Now cut it the number. 4.8 into 2 cut. 1, 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 4.8. Now these two number multiply and write. 2.4 into 12.5 multiply and write. So you multiple 12.5 for you write in 125 into 24. 4 5s are 20, remaining 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2, 10, remaining 1, 1 4 is 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 2 5s are 10, remaining 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 2. 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, remaining 1, 3. So answer equal to 3000. Point after two numbers, one's place to count there. 1, 2 after keep in the point. These two value also no variable. So write in 30 centimeter squared is the answer. Second question, CUTE, cute, with CU parallel ET, CU equal to 7 centimeter. Angle, this symbol meaning is angle UCE equal to 80 degree. CE equal to 6 centimeter and TE equal to 5 centimeter. Given, what is the given, you write in one column, draw the rough diagram. Draw the rough diagram. How to do the sums? Here must use in the scale, protractor and set square and compass. use and do the sum. First you measure in CU equal to 7 centimeter. CU equal to 7 centimeter. Straightly see that. Here one point, 7 straightly one point. Join this line. Join after what their work? Point you write. C, U. Now this side only have that 3 length. So you draw the left side only, want to start and draw the work. They are given in the angle for use in the protector. How to there keep the protector? C point to correctly want to touch this 180 degree before line want to coincide there. Very carefully want to keep in the product and measure there. What degree there want to measure? 80 degree. Keep the point. This is 80 degree is acute angle or obtuse angle. So below 90 degree, this angle is, what is the angle? Acute angle. So right side only want to see the one down number 80 straightly you keep in the point. This is what degree there? 80 degree. Draw the line bigly you draw that. This 2 point touch and draw the line very bigly you draw. Arrow mark. Next work, the same side is what centimeter is there given? 6 centimeter is there is given. So measure the scale in compass. Measure the length in compass. You may take in what degree want to take there? 6 centimeter want to take. How much centimeter? 6 centimeter and C point to cut the arc. Why this side you taking? Here writing the rough diagram for you want to cut the arc. This is what centimeter? 6 centimeter. Now cutting point only. Before already 80 degree to mark, that point not. 60 degree now cut 6 centimeter. Now cut it. The arc is, what is the point? That point E point. This point only. What is the point? E point. Here you write in 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter right after use in the set square. Scale and set square. Keep in the scale here. E point to keep. Now this set square want to move there. Correctly want to keep there. Length and all, how I am keeping the set square, must you watch the video there. Okay, now come after this point, come after you take it the scale and draw the line. Okay, this is the, what is the line? CU line parallel to ET line. ET parallel to CU. So cut it the arc. How much centimeter now want to measure? 5 centimeter. Using the scale and compass, cut it the arc 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter correctly want to cut it the arc. Here to keep in the compass and cut it the arc. Coming point is, what is the point? T point. Now what centimeter is the writing there? 5 centimeter. How to the join the line? Should not join there. Now cut it the arc and C point and T point only want to join the line. C and T you want to join the line. Here put in the arrow mark. Now here what degree is measuring there? 80 degree. Now completed the trapezium sum. Now you want to find in the area. Area for must, what is there? Need there? Height. So here to you draw the line. Here perpendicular line, one line. Now H equal to how much centimeter you want to find there? H equal to, measure that one. 0, 6 before line only touching. So H value equal to, what is the centimeter there? 5.9 centimeter. Now you find the area of a trapezium. Area of the trapezium equal to 1/2 into H into A plus B square units. Now A value equal to what is the value? 7 centimeter. A equal to 7 centimeter. B equal to up answer is 5 centimeter. And H equal to, now find it the height 5.9 centimeter is equal to 1 by 2 into H value equal to 5.9. 5.9 into, start the bracket. A value is 7, B value is 5, 2 all centimeter squared. 1 by 2 into 5.9 into 5 plus 7 equal to 12. 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12 centimeter squared. Now you multiply the number 5.9 into 6 equal to 6 9s are 54, remaining 5. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 5 35. 35.4 centimeter squared is the area of the trapezium value. Now next question, ARMY with AR parallel to YM. AR value is 7 centimeter. RM equal to 6.5 centimeter. Angle RAY equal to 100 degree and ARM equal to 60 degree. Find, draw the trapezium. Now what is there given, you write it there. Whatever they are given in the value you write, draw the rough diagram. Rough diagram, ARMY. AR value equal to 7 centimeter. RM equal to 6 centimeter. They are given in the RAY. RAY 100 degree. So A is the angle 100 degree. Next ARM. ARM equal to 60 degree. So draw the rough diagram after draw the fair diagram. First you measure in 7 centimeter. This 2 point also you join there. So this point is A, this point is R. Here 7 centimeter. Next you use in the protractor and measure in 60 degree. ARM equal to 60 degree you measure. So keep correctly that protractor R point and coincide that 0 line there want to touch there. Now what degree want to measure? 60 degree. Right side or left side? Below for want to come in smallly. So left side only see the number. Now left side seeing for tightly want to press 60 degree there you mark. Now this line you draw in bigly. Arrow mark. The same side is, what is the length is there given? 6.5 centimeter. 6.5 centimeter. 6 after count and 6.5 message there. 6 and 7 in between only 6.5 centimeter. See there correctly have. Now cut it the arc. Now coming point is, what is the point? M point. Cutting arc after only you want, right? Should not mark here. This is the 60 degree to measure. Now cut it the arc only what centimeter there? 6.5 centimeter. Next work use in the set square. Then before you, the left side is, what is there given? So okay, use in the set square and scale. Scale straightly want to keep, set square that keep. This point come after you take it the scale. Correctly want to keep. So take the scale and draw the line. This is the parallel line. Now you measure in 100 degree there. Which point to keep and measure in 100 degree? A point to keep the protractor. Coincide the line or not check. Then you measure in 100 degree. 100 degree is left side only. So bigly only want to come. So down number only want to see, and there you mark in 100 degree. Now this point keep on A line also you join there. Straightly you join. here one arrow mark, there one arrow mark, 2 mark point also meeting this line. This point only, what is the point? A or M is finished, Y you write. Now here is My equal to how much centimeter is don't know. So you measure the scale from, you measure the centimeter, 4.6 centimeter. How much centimeter? 4.5, 4.6 centimeter, the right. 4.6 centimeter. Now straight perpendicular line height want to find there. This side you draw now. This side draw means outside only they are coming. So now you measure now H value. 5.6, 5.7. H equal to, see there, 5, 5.5, 5.6. H equal to 5.6 centimeter. Now A value equal to down length 7 centimeter. B value equal to, must you want to measure that value, they are not give the length 4.6 centimeter. Next H value equal to 5.6 centimeter. Now area of the trapezium. Equal to 1 by 2 into H into A plus B square units. 1 by 2 into H value equal to 5.6 into, start the bracket, A value is 7 plus B value is 4.6 centimeter squared. 1 by 2 into 5.6 into 7.0 plus 4.6, you want to add and write 6. 7 plus 4, 11. Any number also possible, you strike out the number. Now I am strike out here 2 and 11.6. 5 2s are 10, remaining 1, 8 2s are 16. Now 5.6 into 58, you multiple there. So remove the decimal point and multiple there. 6 8s are 48, remaining 4. 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 4, 44. First step is completed. 5 6 are 30, remaining 3. 5 5 are 25, 25 plus 3 equal to 28. Add the number now. Equal to 32.48 centimeters squared. Point after the 2 decimal. Here 1 decimal, there 1 point is there, have digit. So 1 plus 1 2, last to count and keep 32.48 centimeters. Now fourth question. CITY. CITY with CI per parallel YT. CI equal to 7 centimeter. IT equal to 5.5 centimeter. TY equal to 4 centimeter and YC equal to 6 centimeter. What is the given? You write it here, rough diagram. This sum is must to you see the rough diagram. CI equal to what is there given? 7 centimeter, I write it there. Now IT equal to, IT side you write in 5.5 centimeter. Next TY equal to 4 centimeter. TY up 4 centimeter. YC equal to 6 centimeter. Right after that parallel line equally want to come here. So here write 4 centimeter. Here correctly 4 centimeter to mark there, and remaining 4 plus 3 only 7 centimeter. Rough diagram for you simply mark it there, write in here 3 centimeter, there 4 centimeter. Here what is there given? The E and this line you join and the write in 6 centimeter you write. This point is you mark in anyone, you write it there. A also write. Okay, now how to draw the rough diagram? How to draw the fair diagram? How to drawing the rough diagram? Same type only want to come in the fair diagram also. First you measure in 7 centimeter. First you measure in how much centimeter? 7 centimeter. Draw the line. Here you write in C, here you write in I. First step is what centimeters are measured there? 7 centimeters. C and I C2i 7 centimeter. Now here A 4 centimeter to keep in the point A you want to keep first. C2 again keep in the scale and 4 centimeter. See there 4 centimeter to you mark the point. This point is what is the point? A point. This is the first work. Draw the line CI equal to 7 centimeter. Which centimeter to want to keep in the point? 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter means here remaining is what centimeter is there? 3 centimeter. Now 4 plus 3 equal to 7 centimeter. First work completed. Next this triangle shape first you complete. I to measure in 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. I point to keep and cut it the arc. How much centimeter? 5.5 centimeter. Next, A to measure in 6 centimeter. Inside the triangle, here 3 centimeter, marking the point, 5.5 centimeter cut it the arc, again 6 centimeter. A to keep the compass and cut it the arc. Now this meeting point only you keep the point and there you write in T you write. Right, T right after join I and T. I point and T point you want to join there. Next you join in A and T. Right after here you write in 6 centimeter. Here write in 5.5 centimeter. Next work is very easy the work. You no need to measure the scale. Only use in the compass. CA value you write it there. A that separately write them. There join the line. So rub and write. A. Now CA line you measure there. CA line you want to measure in the direct. You should not use in the scale and write parallel line for here. T point to cut it the arc 4 centimeter. Next C from measure in 6 centimeter. Six centimeter. These 2 point also meeting point is what is the point? Y point. Now join the line. Now this is what centimeter? 4 centimeter. Here 6 centimeter. First work is draw the line 7 centimeter. 4 centimeter to mark the point and write it A. I to 5.7 centimeter measure from compass and cut it the arc. 6 centimeter measure from compass and cut it the arc. Meeting point is T. You join IT and AT. Next work, here have that CA value only want to measure. CA value only you want to measure and cut it the arc. T to cut it the arc and C to 6 centimeter measure and cut it the arc. Meeting point is what is the point? Y point. You join the line. Next find in the height. Height for you draw the line here. Correctly tightly keep the scale and measure. Perpendicular line for you write in 90 degree. Here measure the angle, measure the centimeter. 5 after 5.1, 2, 3, 4. 5.4 centimeter. H equal to 5.4 centimeter. Now here A value equal to 7 centimeter. A equal to full length only write. A equal to 7 centimeter. B value equal to 4 centimeter. Height equal to 5.4 centimeter. Okay, now A value equal to 7 centimeter base. There up 4 centimeter. B height equal to 5.4 centimeter. Area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium equal to 1 by 2 into h into a plus b square units. 1 by 2 into h value equal to 5.4 centimeter into, start the bracket, a value is 7 plus b value equal to 4 centimeter squared. 1 by 2 into 5.4 into 7 plus 4, 11 centimeter squared. Strike out the number. 2 2s are 4, remaining 1, 7 2s are 14. So 2.7, 27 into 11 you multiple there. 27 equal to 297. Point after only 1 point only you keep in there. Answer equal to 29.7 centimeter squared.